Crystals. Information about crystals. Crystals are powerful. Crystals contain the remarkable ability to transform, absorb, amplify, and transmit energy. Energy is everywhere, and crystals are the perfect channel. Crystals act as a power hold for healing as they allow positive, fruitful energy to flow into the body and do away with the negative, toxic energy. These healing rocks and crystals have their particular vibration and frequency, which arise from their molecular composition. From the way they move and interact, these vibrations and energies work in benefiting and uplifting our mood, mind, and health in a considerable manner. Each healing crystal carries its own properties and powers. Depending on their benefits, you can use a healing rock to naturally heal yourself and remove stress and negativity. Crystal therapy or crystal healing is one of the alternate medicine healing modality. Crystal healing holds that the magic of crystals derives from their structural compositions. It's believed that the energy of the crystal flows through the geometry of the stone and that different crystals produce various healing energies. Color is a force of immeasurable and infinite power. It exerts a tremendous influence on mind and emotions. It is the living language of life, the hallmark of conscious reality. The science of color rests on the laws of light as manifested in the seven major rays. The color rays are related to the seven planets of manifestation and the seven chakras. Each chakra is an energy center in your body and is associated with a color. You can choose a crystal based only on its color to use a healing crystal for that part of your body. Instead of trying to remember what every crystal does, you can learn about color to start. This helps simplify choosing healing crystals. In terms of color, in general, dark colored crystals tend to focus on safeguarding an individual and help in remove negative energy. With black for protection and white is the color of purity and green the shade of to choose when looking for calm and peace. In a similar way, pink colored crystals are said to focus on love, red on energy and yellow on wealth and abundance. Since crystals naturally mirror our inborn power, they are extremely dynamic manifestation tools. When we infuse a crystal with spiritual intention, we create a mutual bond with it. The crystals charged with energy can independently create transformation in a healthy manner. It is believed that crystals can be programmed, means attuned to receive, absorb, and transfer emotions. You can attune your crystal for a variety of purposes. It can promote wisdom, wellness, love, prosperity, or protection. Before you attune your crystal, however, you have to be sure to reset its vibrations. Cleanse your crystal by washing it with water or cleansing it with smoke of sage. Simply light your bundle of choice with incense stick and pass the crystal through the smoke. You can also bury it in the soil for a while. A potted plant works, or leave it out under a full moon, or you can use selenite plate to use cleanse your crystals. Cleansing part is vary as per individual crystal also. Generally, you should plan to clean your crystals once per month. However, if you feel that they are being influenced by negative energy, you may consider cleaning them more often. It should also be noted that if you plan to use your crystals for healing, they should be cleansed before and after every healing session. Crystals can be used in different forms like tumbles, bracelets, pyramids, pendants, tree, engraved stone, cluster, angels, jewelry form, tower, dowsing pendulum, wands, etc. Crystals can be used as per individual requirement. For personal use, anyone can wear crystal jewelry or use tumbles in water and drink that water. For home or office, anyone can use pyramids, tree, cluster, tower, etc. You can see here different types of crystal jewelry like bracelets, anklet, pendants, rings, mala, earrings. You can use crystal in tower, in angel form, tree, cluster, engraved stone. For healing, you can use wands or dowsing pendulum. Crystals emit positive, uplifting, energizing, and calming vibrations that help you to achieve a more peaceful mind and a re-energized physical state of being. Holding crystals or placing them on your body is thought to promote physical, emotional, and spiritual healing. Crystals are supposed to do this by positively interacting with the body's energy field or chakra. While some crystals are said to relieve stress, other crystals are supposed to improve focus or creativity.